No matter where you live on campus, you'll be close to all the action. Classroom buildings and campus resources are never far away. Our data shows that simply living on campus makes you more likely to have a higher GPA and more likely to graduate. We are committed to student success both inside and outside the classroom. Although each residence hall is unique, there are a few elements that are common in every hall. Each building has live-in staff members to help you along your university journey. There are undergraduate students serving as resident assistants on each floor. Your RA is there to help you transition to college and support you during the year with floor events and individual connections. We also have graduate students serving as assistant hall directors and full-time master's level professional hall directors that live in the buildings with you. All these live-in staff members are here to support you. There is always someone available to assist any time of day. All of our buildings have several safety features. Entrance doors are on a card access system. Your access card will allow you to enter different parts of your assigned building. All living areas and shared community spaces have smoke or heat detectors. All bedrooms have fire retardant mattresses and drapes. All our residence halls have sprinkler systems, and our fire systems are tested annually. These features support our commitment to well-maintained facilities. Now that we've covered some things that are in every residence hall, let's get a closer look at them individually to see what makes them unique. Welcome to Blair-Shannon House. Blair-Shannon House is a 2-tower building comprised of 6-person suites, each with ensuite bathrooms. As you enter the main lobby in Blair Tower, you can interact with the front desk, operated 24 hours a day by full-time staff members as well as student workers. The Blair Tower front desk is where you can send and receive mail or packages, or check out sporting equipment, cleaning supplies, and kitchen equipment purchased by the building's Hall Council. You can also submit a work order, or just have a question answered. The Blair Tower lobby features a space for gathering with soft seating and a TV. During the year, it's common to have students here at any time of day studying or catching up with one another. The Shannon Tower lobby has a front desk that is operated in the evening hours. As an added safety feature, the Blair Tower and Shannon Tower first floor elevator and stairwell entrances are only accessible using your Blair-Shannon access card. The Blair-Shannon House Computer Lab is located just off of the main lobby in Blair Tower. You'll have access to the computer lab 24 hours a day. If you have computing issues while you live on campus, contact the ResNet staff. Similar to the campus help desk, ResNet is a group of students and professional staff that can assist you with your computing needs. Unlike the campus help desk, ResNet is just for students that live on campus. The Blair-Shannon Grand Lounge is located on the first floor between Blair Tower and Shannon Tower. There is space to study as well as space to socialize. There are soft seating chairs and tables with chairs. The Grand Lounge has a ping pong table, pool table, foosball table, and a small air hockey table. You can borrow the needed equipment to play from the front desk or use your own. Just off the Grand Lounge is the community kitchen, equipped with a microwave, full refrigerator, and oven. The kitchen is a shared space, so please help us keep it clean and ready for your neighbors to use. Next to the kitchen is a music practice room featuring a piano. Keys for the music practice room are kept at the front desk for you to check out with your BearPass ID. When it's time for meals, make the short trip to the Blair-Shannon Dining Center, located centrally between Blair and Shannon Towers. Your meal plan also gives you access to Garth's Dining Center. The Dining Dollars component of your meal plan can be used at the food vendors at the Plaster Student Union, Meyer Library, and Glass Hall. Each residential floor has an open study area featuring a large glass wall you can write on. There is some soft seating as well as a table and chairs. Unlike other buildings, each residential floor in Blair-Shannon has its own laundry room. You can use the laundry room 24 hours a day. There is no need for coins, as laundry is free. Just be sure to bring your own detergent and softener. Each residential floor in Blair Tower has a tub room. These spaces are cleaned by our custodial staff. The Blair-Shannon suites each have a shared area, bathroom, and 3 bedrooms. The shared area has a mid-size refrigerator, microwave, rug, tables, and soft seating. There is also a built-in coat rack and a full-length mirror. The bathroom has a vanity with a large mirror, 2 sinks, and an open area under the sinks for storage. There is a standing shower stall and a toilet. The Blair-Shannon House beds are able to be bunked using pins borrowed from the front desk. These are 80-inch extra-long twin-sized mattresses. Each bedroom has 2 large built-in closets that accommodate short and long-hanging clothes. You and your roommate will each have a built-in desk with some shelving and a tackable surface over the desk. There is also an additional mini fridge in each bedroom. When connecting to the internet, you can either use the wireless network or an Ethernet connection. There are 2 Ethernet ports in each room. We recommend that you use the Ethernet port for gaming or high-quality streaming. We also have the MSU Home Device Network, which will allow you to connect wireless devices such as an Amazon Echo using a pre-shared key. We cut the cord and moved away from traditional cable. Students can watch TV on their computer, tablet, phone, or on a TV by way of Roku. We recommend the Roku Ultra. You can stream over 80 channels using any internet-capable device while on campus. Your Philo account gives you access to HBO Go, Cinemax Go, and 20 hours of recording time. If you have a favorite show that comes on while you're in class, set it to record and watch it later. The best part is that you and your roommate can be watching 2 different shows at the same time on your individual Philo accounts. If you're looking to be involved while living on campus, consider joining Hall Council. Similar to student government, Hall Council is a great way to gain leadership experience. Each Hall Council holds events for the residents of their building during the year. They also purchase items that can be borrowed from the front desk. When you live on campus, you are a part of the larger Residence Hall Association student organization. Consider attending a meeting to have your voice heard, or go to one of their campus-wide events during the year. We are committed to creating communities where students can build and maintain connections with each other and the university. Finally, consider being a part of a living learning community. We have communities for students in similar majors, as well as for students with similar interests. Living learning communities are a wonderful way to enhance your already great decision to live on campus. We hope you enjoyed your tour. We look forward to seeing you soon.